Hello and welcome to Tech. What we are going to show it now here suggested topics. This is really an amazing thing which I really love about this Power BI agent specifically. Even though I like Power BI agent overall, but this specific topic, suggest topic is really an amazing thing. If I click here, so get topic suggestions from your web content and online file, example PDF, doc, CSV. Start with 3 to 5 links containing content such as questions and answers, pairs or documentation that would like your bot to handle. To help your author topics more quickly, each suggestion will also include a trigger phrase. So if I click here and type website of mine, www.taik18.com, and then click on add, you can add also more options if you need, but here I'm going to add just this my website and then start. I don't know how many of you gone through my website, but the result which it brings is really amazing. So getting your responses, this may take several minutes. Yeah, we'll wait for a few minutes. So now it has taken a few while and then it has suggested 5 different topics. If you look at here on the topics area, now we have existing and then suggested. Based on the website, it has given us 5 different topics. If you want to look into detail, let's go one by one. Here we have this topic and here we have option to add to existing topic. So if something is not relevant for us, unnecessary information, then we can delete it from here, and something which is required, then we can click here so that this suggested topic can add to an existing topic. So if you look into detail here, welcome to topic, then welcome to type. If user type this one, then this will give us this message. So Power BI, our services and about us and all this information. That's it. And if I click cancel and click on this one, so corporate or SMB project, then it will give us this information. So I think corporate SMB project, whether new or maintenance project, we will take care of it with agreed non-disclosure agreement. We can work as a remote caretaker of your BA projects. So this is also a good one. And the third one is one-to-one training. It says whether you are experienced data analyst or a fresher, we provide personalized self-paced training to meet the requirement, and we make sure you get your confidence back. So these are all small topics which it has given us, and also for the job support. So if you ever get stuck in your job, whether it's a new project or a maintenance project, don't worry, reach out to us. We'll consult and support you remotely in your convenient time. Okay, and also why hire me? So this is also a good one. So why hire me? So it has given a detailed information about why you can hire me, about how many projects it is completed, how many clients are there, and what are the projects which you have worked on, and also about the user comments here. So I think everything is good here. Just for an example, if I add it here, one-to-one training, I click on this icon. So it is added now to this one. One-to-one training welcome added to existing topic. Now it is 4 here, and this one I have one-to-one training. So if you go into detail now, here the phrase is one-to-one training. If you want to add something else like just training or Power BI training, add, right? First you need to save the topic. It is now bold, right? So it is not saved. Now topic is saved and it is now in regular. So if I type here on the chat board like training, it will directly give us information about this one. So the training I have given here and it is not able to search the information. So let's go into this authoring canvas just to look into in detail about it. This gives a message here on the top. This topic has been turned off and you won't be able to test it. So this is the reason it is not able to search here. For this, we need to go to topics here. And if you look at here, one-to-one training, it is status is turned off. So click here, it will, now we need to type it here. If I type training here, then this gives us the detailed information about how and what it should be done. And it is going down through this one. Whether you are experienced data analyst, So whatever the information it is extracted from the website, it is given those information here. This is really great, right? So in the depth, it has given this much of information. So now it is asking us for answer yes. Yes, it means it will end the conversation here. Suggested topic is really an amazing thing in Power Virtual Agent. We will discuss about further more in detail different advanced topics like using Power Automate inside Power Virtual Agent in the next video. So please bear with us and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far.